Another day, another story. Introduction. Frontend Mentor is an incredible platform that provides aspiring and seasoned front-end developers with a wide range of real-world projects to improve their skills. Frontend Mentor offers an abundance of resources and challenges to help you level up your front-end development abilities. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of Frontend Mentor and how it can assist you in becoming a front-end development expert. Diverse project library. An extensive collection of real-world projects to challenge and improve your skills. Projects ranging from beginner-friendly to advanced, catering to all skill levels. A wide variety of designs and layouts to work on, ensuring exposure to different scenarios. Hands-on learning. Project-based learning approach for practical application of front-end concepts. Hands-on experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and responsive design techniques. Building projects from scratch to develop problem-solving and implementation skills. Responsive design mastery. Emphasis on creating responsive and mobile-friendly websites. Learning techniques like media queries, Flexbox, and CSS Grid for responsive layouts. Developing skills to ensure optimal user experiences across different devices. Supportive community. Engaging with a thriving community of front-end developers from around the world. Collaborative learning through discussions, forums, and live chat channels. Opportunities to seek advice, share insights, and connect with like-minded individuals. Feedback and peer review. Access to valuable feedback and code reviews from the Frontend Mentor community. Opportunity to receive constructive criticism for continuous improvement. Learning from others' projects and reviewing their work to enhance your own skills. Mentorship program. Guidance from experienced mentors who provide assistance and support. One-on-one mentorship to address specific challenges and questions. Personalized feedback and advice to accelerate your learning journey. Skill progression and challenges. Gradual skill progression through different challenge levels and project complexity. Unlocking achievements and badges to track your progress and accomplishments. Monthly challenges and competitions to push your skills and compete with others. Additional learning resources. Supplementing project-based learning with tutorials, articles, and resources. Expanding your knowledge through recommended readings and external references. Staying up to date with the latest front-end trends, technologies, and best practices. Real-world projects for hands-on learning. Explanation of the project-based approach of Frontend Mentor. Showcase of diverse projects available on the platform. How these projects simulate real-world scenarios and challenges. Importance of hands-on practice for front-end development. Learning and skill development. The educational value of completing projects on Frontend Mentor. Learning new front-end technologies, frameworks, and libraries. Practical application of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and responsive design. Gaining experience in working with APIs and integrating them into projects. Utilizing modern tools and workflows like Git, SAS, and task runners. Community and feedback. Engaging with the Frontend Mentor community and learning from peers. Importance of receiving feedback on your projects. How peer reviews and code reviews contribute to growth and improvement. Leveraging the platform's supportive community to ask questions and get guidance. Leveling up your skills. Progressing through the different challenge levels on Frontend Mentor. Overcoming challenges and pushing your boundaries. Using Frontend Mentor as a portfolio builder to showcase your work. Boosting your confidence as a front-end developer. Additional resources and learning opportunities. Exploring supplementary resources provided by Frontend Mentor. Recommended blogs, tutorials, and articles for further learning. Expanding your knowledge through the platform's resources. Collaborative learning and support. The power of learning from and collaborating with like-minded individuals. Engaging with fellow developers to exchange ideas, tips, and best practices. Access to a supportive community that encourages growth and provides motivation. Peer review and feedback. The significance of receiving constructive feedback on your projects. Leveraging the expertise of community members to improve your work. Learning to give valuable feedback to others and develop your critical eye. Mentorship opportunities. Connecting with experienced developers who act as mentors on the platform. Guidance and advice from mentors to enhance your skills and knowledge. Building relationships with mentors that can foster long-term professional growth. Networking and collaboration. Expanding your professional network by connecting with developers worldwide. Opportunities for collaboration on projects with like-minded individuals. Building relationships that may lead to future career prospects or partnerships. Showcasing your work. Utilizing Frontend Mentor as a platform to showcase your completed projects. Attracting potential employers, clients, or collaborators through your portfolio. Gaining recognition and exposure within the front-end development community. Staying updated with industry trends. Access to discussions, articles, and resources on the latest front-end trends. Keeping up to date with emerging technologies and best practices. Enhancing your knowledge and skills to stay competitive in the industry. Challenges and competitions. Participating in regular challenges and competitions organized by Frontend Mentor. Pushing your boundaries and testing your skills against other developers. Opportunities to win prizes, gain recognition, and showcase your abilities. Career development. Leveraging Frontend Mentor as a platform for career advancement. Showcasing your completed projects to potential employers or clients. Highlighting your continuous learning and growth through engagement with the community. Conclusion. Frontend Mentor's community provides a multitude of benefits for front-end developers, ranging from collaborative learning and mentorship opportunities to networking and career development prospects. Embrace the power of community and take your front-end development journey with Frontend Mentor. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.